Are you ready to embark on a journey of excitement, style, and unforgettable childhood memories? Introducing the Royalbaby Chipmunk Girls Bike. This isn't just a bike, it's a fashion statement. The Royalbaby Chipmunk Girls Bike is designed to capture the hearts of young riders with its delightful spring green color, sleek frame, and charming details. It's a dream come true for every little princess. But style is not the only thing this bike has to offer. Safety first. We understand that your child's safety is your top priority. That's why the Royalbaby Chipmunk Girls Bike is equipped with dual brakes, pedal and hand brakes. Plus, we've included detachable height-adjustable training wheels, ensuring excellent stability as your child learns to ride. We've made sure this bike is not just safe, but also comfortable. The low standover height makes it easy for kids to hop on and off. And the wide, comfortable seat means long rides without discomfort. The future is bright, and so is this bike. It's designed with adjustable stem and saddle, accommodating your child as they grow. Your child deserves the best, and that's exactly what the Royalbaby Chipmunk Girls Bike offers. Complying with the highest safety standards globally, including CPSC and EU industrial standards, it's trusted by millions of families in over 80 countries. Worried about assembly? Don't be. The Royalbaby Kids bicycle comes 95 professionally pre-assembled. Inside the box, you'll find an elaborated instruction manual and complementary tools, making setup a breeze. So why wait? Give your child the gift of adventure, style, and unforgettable memories with the Royalbaby Chipmunk Girls Bike. Watch them ride confidently, explore the world, and create their very own childhood tales. Order yours today and be part of the Royalbaby family, where every ride is an adventure and every adventure is a cherished memory.